next session is I'll be there in 10 minutes. In this session, we are actually identifying, the habit we Indians have generally, might be, most of us generally say that, okay, I'll be there in 10 minutes, or I'll be there in 5 minutes. So that is something which relates with our, punctuality. Even though I'm also not punctual, yeah, but that's why, we created this topic. So even though I can get an insight from Pavanji, from Dabbawalas, because they're renowned globally for the supply chain management and, their Six Sigma theory. So I'll just, not take much of time. And I just introduce him, over stage, and I would like that you share your presentation of the supply chain management and Six Sigma. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Friends, rightly he told. That's why initially I asked Mr. Vinay, sir, how much time you are giving? He told me, sir, 25, 30 minutes. No, sir, either 25 or 30 you should tell me. So he told, sir, 25 will do. Friends, my time starts now. I will finish it before 25, not after 25. Because whatever the time is given to you, you must care for time. And of course, when Sir Mumbai Dabbawalas are concerned, time is very short. My session required 2 hours, but 25 minutes I should respect minute, not minute, but minutes. Respect second also. Let me tell you, friends, as far as before I start, I want to show you what Mumbai Dabbawalas is doing work. Mumbai Dabbawalas delivering tiffin in Mumbai. Everybody knows Mumbai Dabbawala, and many people feel that Mumbai Dabbawala means they are delivering and catering food. They are not catering food. Food is yours and cooked at home, and tiffin also yours. What we do, we carry your tiffin from home to workplace, and again return after lunchtime from workplace to home. It means we are doing 2 deliveries in a day. Friends, in Mumbai, every day we carry 200,000, 2 lakhs tiffin every day. What we do, we start early morning. Not early morning, it's very early morning, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. You cannot carry your tiffin in Mumbai. Mainly 2 reasons. Number 1, in Mumbai, we have long railway lines, long distances. So even suppose you want to reach office at 9 o'clock, you may require to start 6 o'clock from office. So when you start 6 o'clock, you don't want your mother or wife should cook 5 o'clock. You want she should cook 8 o'clock. But after 8 o'clock, who will carry tiffin? Mumbai Dabbawala. Number 2, even you start 9 o'clock, you cannot carry your own tiffin. The crowded local trains of Mumbai. You find difficult to board in local train with empty hands. Taking tiffin is out of question. You can't carry. So you require Dabbawalas. Friends, these people are working in Mumbai, and you will be surprised to know. See, I'll show you what these people are called. These people are Malakari, Warkari Sampradaya. In Maharashtra, we have a particular religious community where they are the devotees of God Vithala. And when they go to Pandharpur, one holy place is there, they put some chain in their neck. This chain, in Hindi, Marathi, we call Mala. So 80 to 90% people of Dabbawalas are Malakari. And they believe in God Vithala, God Dhaneshwara, along with God Ganesha. And this is a man who started his business before 120 years, Vinay. Before 120 years. There was a Britishers' time. One person asked simply, Ashutosh, can you bring tiffin for me from my home? He told, I will bring, no problem. That this man, he started to bring that tiffin. And friends, when he started to bring tiffin, in 1890, there was one Dabbawala, one customer. As on today, we will see 5,000 Dabbawala and 200,000 customers, 2 lakh customers. It means one Dabbawala carrying approximately 40 tiffins. The 40 tiffins weight is 65 to 70 kg with food. And it's very difficult for common man to carry this much weight. They are carrying that in crowded local train in Mumbai. It means Dabbawala doing hard work, friends. See, 1890, हिंदी में डायलॉग बोलता है बंदा, हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलर तो नहीं है, लेकिन अंग्रेज जमाने के डब्बे वाले जरूर हैं. The reason we are doing this business from Britishers' time, so they feel proud. We are great Indians. We are doing this. Friends, the average grade schooling, 8th grade schooling. Now you know the importance of qualification, education. God knows whether it is there or not. I don't know. Because I found, sir, whenever you are highly qualified, when you join company, you require training. We don't require training. Without training, we do. Why? The only one slogan, work is worship. Kami Ishware Kami Puja hai. When you decide your worship, I don't think it requires a huge qualification. Even I myself is highly qualified. Friends, 50% Dabbawalas are illiterate. Sir, even they are illiterate, if suppose tiffin to be delivered in this Ravindra Manch, even they are illiterate, they will read Ravindra Manch with the alphabetical shape of that Ravindra. They know it is Ravindra. If you ask Dabbawala, can you tell me the address of Ravindra? What is the answer? I cannot tell you the address, but I can take you to the address. I know where it is. That's it. Why? Tiffin to be delivered and I know where it is. It means what, friends? Work is worship. Simple concept, simple concept. You can, friends. Because we don't have that passion to do. Just now Arjun finished his lecture and I was just listening for a few minutes. Passion. Absolutely, friend. Even housewife require passion if she want to serve the whole family. Everybody require, my dear friends. And see, traveling 60, 70 kilometers they are traveling, sir. Sir, one way 60, 70 kilometers. It means two way they are traveling 140 kilometers. Crowded local train and heavy weight on their head. Can you imagine this? They are doing. Why? We ought to do. We will do. And this whole process they require 8 to 9 hours a day. We teach in management ownership feeling. These people have ownership feeling. What is ownership? 9 hours when you are working, you should contribute completely 9 hours to the association and for the customer. That's it. Friends, when you are work, I came to know there are school students, college students, maybe employed people. Friend, if you are working, if you are schooling, whatever work you are doing, you should know that if your school is 5 hours, you should completely contribute your whole things for that learning 5 hours. Then remaining 19 hours, what you want to do it different. Like that Dabbawala feels. 9 hours I am working, I am the owner of 9 hours. I should completely contribute. And among that 9 hours, morning 3 hours are war time. Why? Customers should serve in time. Sir, in 120 years, not a single time it happened, your lunch time started and Dabbawala not yet came. Impossible, impossible. Can you imagine this? Impossible. Maybe winter season, rainy season, you know, nowadays TV news is covering. In Mumbai, trains are problem. No problem. Our main lifeline is local train, but we never get late. We never tell you, sorry sir, today trains were late. Because Dabbawala knows, in Mumbai, trains are running every day late. I can't come every day late. Even one day I can't come. Because if I am coming, I know the consequence of late coming. Your tiffin will waste. You will eat outside food. You will pay money and your time will waste because I am coming late. So what is the consequences? You know, then what you should do? You should win time. Simple thing. How? Start 15 minutes early. Rainy season, start 1 hour early. No problem. When you know the things are happening, then why you come late, my dear? I believe, if you decide, I believe that not a single person in the world can go late. If you decide. I feel so like this. We believe, friends. Why? Because they are illiterate. If it is so, then why we are illiterate then? Why we are literate? If the question comes. Friends, these people really happen that structure. Organize a structure. Sir, Dabbawala do not know what is structure. One Dabbawala when started to speak on the dais, Vinay Sahab, he told, this is my organized stature. I told, my dear, it's not stature, structure. Bole Sahab, it is same. Well, how? If stature is strong, patient goes to bed. If my structure is strong, tiffin goes to customer. I know this. That's it. It means what? If your president, vice president, treasurer, directors, if these people are strong, all 5,000 people will work excellently. The top management people should work hard. And when here, the president also a Dabbawala. He is not a owner, he is a Dabbawala. And of course, the main thing is our Mukadam, Marathi word, called group leader or supervisor. We have groups of 10, 20, 30 people of Dabbawala. And in that group, one person is a group leader. Can you imagine what is the qualification to become group leader? Age. The person who is highest age in the group, he will become group leader. Why? They don't have any other qualification. So age is a qualification. The man who is highest age, he will become group leader. And therefore, you can become group leader if your age is highest in the group. That group leader will take all care of all 10, 20 Dabbawalas and customers also. Suppose in my group, 10 members. multiply 40 customer each, then 400 customers. If I am the group leader, I will take care all 400 customers and all 10 dabawalas. I will take care. What is their working problem? What are their customer problem? That is what the group leader is taking. Number 2, group leader will motivate members. Hey, you have to work. If not working, he will kick out of the group. No president will come into picture. Means group leader plays very important role. Because he knows closely and all people working excellently, all these 5,000. See, they are working on Mumbai Dabawalas. Number 1, error rate 1 in 16 million transactions. My God. I would say no error, yeah. And but what they dialogues about error? They say error is horror. Don't look into mirror. It is danger. Don't do error. That's what they feel. Because what error you can do? They say, suppose I am not delivering time. It's an error, yeah. Nobody can wait for you. Number 2, if I do wrong delivery, will they eat? Suppose a non-vegetarian tiffin, if I deliver to vegetarian guy, will he eat? No, he will eat. He will not eat. They know the consequences. So not to do error. And that's the reason they got Six Sigma. I cannot take more time for Six Sigma, but very simply Six Sigma given to that organization who do without error, in short. How they got Six Sigma? Delhi people came to Mumbai, they have some research, they went back to Delhi, they phoned Dabawala, you got Six Sigma. Bolta kya hai Six Sigma? We don't know. Oh, it's a big honor. Okay, send, no problem. Arey, we cannot send, you have to come and collect. It's a Six Sigma, yeah? How we can send? It's a big honor. But what to do? You have to come. We cannot come to Delhi. No, we are coming to Mumbai, then you come to us. Now the question, big honor, what to do? Because it was big honor, they took taxi to collect that honor. And we went to the Atithi hotel, simply they honored Dabawala with some Six Sigma certification. Dabawala told, what is this? Well, that's Six Sigma. One Dabawala told, sir, we have wasted taxi charges. Why you came to collect Six Sigma? It is useless for Dabawala. There are always people told, don't say, my dear, you are first in India and second in the world who got Six Sigma. That's Mumbai Dabawala. Imagine. Then they asked curiously, who is first in the world? Bolta Motorola. We don't know who is Motorwala. Rickshawala to samne baitha hai. I know that. But Motorola, with your Motorwala, wo president bolta hai, hey, don't argue. Motorola, Dabawala are brother. That's why they got Six Sigma. Forget it. Friends, why I want to tell you all this story in a minute? Because these people not working for Six Sigma, they are working for customer satisfaction. That's why they got Six Sigma. It means whenever you want to work, you must have that customer satisfaction.